How to add location on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and on the search bar just search for Snapchat application and just make sure that your application is updated to its latest version on your device. Now as you can see, there's update available for the application on my device. I'll just have to update this. And after updating, I'm just going to go to the Snapchat application on my device. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen and then scroll down. And here you can see the option of Snap Map and just tap on sharing location. So here make sure that your ghost mode is toggled off, because if you have toggled or enabled this option, then your friends cannot see your location. Here you can also show or hide your live location over here. Here you can tap on share my live location to your friends, or you can just tap on suggest a place at the bottom of the screen and type the name of the street for your address. This add a category, attributes, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.